Hello there subscribers and welcome back to our very first outdoor video. Today we're gonna be discussing the new Jurassic World Dino Trackers Prestosuchus. It's still wrapped on its wrapper and we will be comparing it to a Primal Attack Postosuchus because that's the closest relative he's got here. That's what I search here. So it means the Prestosuchus, meaning Prestus crocodile. Yep, so it is related to a Postosuchus or an Saurosuchus, which we don't have that yet for now. But yeah, we're gonna compare it to these two guys right here. So let's open him up. Alright. So while opening this, I'd like to say thank you again for all the subscriptions and liking all my videos here. Thank you so much. How are you all doing today? Alright, let's check the box. Alright, so I've never heard of this creature before. Pretty sure it's not a dinosaur, it's just an extinct reptile. But yeah, when I searched it, it is real. It did exist millions of years ago. Okay, so here's the scanning DNA. Okay, let's check the box. Alright, so the only thing we don't have here now is this Gigant Spinosaurus here. Alright, so I'm supposed to do a Hammond Collection Brachiosaurus, but I couldn't find the Brachiosaurus itself. I think Sephiroth took it with him, they went out. But anyways, let's open him up now. Let's open this creature up, okay. So, it has a large head. When you push this, it opens up, that's good. Because some of these Mattel toys, they don't open up automatically. Okay, nice color. It's definitely a water type because you can see those fins over here. It's a good swimmer. We're going to compare it to its closest relative, the Postosuchus. They do look like similarities there. Okay. So this Postosuchus, if you move the tail on your right, it opens up the mouth. Pretty unique. See? Right. That's where it opens the mouth. If you go left, it doesn't do anything. Nothing like that. This Postosuchus and Prestosuchus doesn't have any variants yet. Maybe in the next series they'll make one. Like it's called the Epic Evolution, I believe. So I'm pretty excited for that. They'll probably come end of this year. So yeah. There you have it, guys. So I'd like to say thanks again for all the support, and you guys have a great day, okay? Bye for now.